piano switch or one-way switch, piano type two-way switch, switchboard indicator, doorbell switch, bed switch, switchboard cutout fuse, heat sink tube, fan regulator, round multi-socket extension board, UV light bulb, ceiling mounted fan hook with royal bolt, warm light, batten holder, 5-pin socket, 2-pin socket, 2-pin plug, single phase energy meter, 3-phase energy meter, battery terminal, armored cable, KitKat fuse, ebonite sheet, 4-way junction box, elbow, combination pliers, wire cutter, mini hacksaw, digital tester, line tester, magnetic contactor, overload relay, royal plug, earthing rod, lightning arrestor, emergency light, single core cable, multi-core cable, flexible wire, cable ladder tray, cable trunking tray, PVC tape or insulation tape, rocker switch, push switch, LED driver, LED bulb, night bulb, rechargeable LED bulb, LED round panel light, LED flat panel light, fluorescent tube light holder, electronic soak, remote control module, main switch, 2-pin plug top, 3-pin plug top, extension board, hacksaw, double-ended spanner, ring type cable lugs, star screwdriver, flat screwdriver, cable lugs, adjustable wrench, wire stripper, anti-cutter knife, ELCB or arc leakage circuit breaker, RCCB or residual current circuit breaker, ACB or air circuit breaker, BCB or vacuum circuit breaker, limit switch, electric cable, perforated cable tray, electric hose pipe, electric cable channel, tube light blast, LED tube light, electric wire, digital multimeter, digital clamp meter, SP circuit breaker or single pole circuit breaker, DP circuit breaker or double pole circuit breaker, U-shape fan hook, ceiling rose, TP circuit breaker or 3-pole circuit breaker, MCCB or molded case circuit breaker, SPD or surge protection device, reducer, elbow reducer, T reducer, halogen light, floodlight, fuse, fan regulator switch, female bush adapter, 1-gang MK box, 3-gang switch and socket box, switchboard box, 2-hole piano switch box, round batten holder, piano type 2-way switch, industrial panel socket with plug, 3-pin socket multi-plug, 5-pin socket with switch, 3-pin socket, industrial panel mount socket outlet, 2-pin socket, cutout fuse, cartridge fuse, 6-gang switch with universal socket and indicator, doorbell switch or calling bell switch, cable clip, electric hot air blower, electric air blower, earthing plate, DP switch, double pole MCB, screw anchor, screw, GI clamp, flexible conduit pipe, 4-way cross box, 3-way T box, 2-way angle box, 2-way throw box, conduit T, conduit band or PVC band, conduit elbow, conduit coupler, double nail saddle clamp, conduit pipe, junction box, junction linker, angle batten holder, fendant holder, concealed metal box, power board, soldering iron, soldering lead wire, soldering paste rosin. Please subscribe the Engineering Bangla channel. Thank you.